Everyone is overpaying for new cars that break. But you're going to buy a legend. Today, we're looking at the only Lexus sedans you can still buy for under $10,000 that will literally outlast you. No more endless repairs, no more massive car payments, just pure bulletproof V8 luxury. This is the ultimate smart money move. Let's get into the list. The philosophy of perfection. If you talk to any master mechanic and ask them, if you had to drive one car for the rest of your life without it ever breaking down, what would it be? 9 times out of 10, the answer is the Lexus LS430. In the early 2000s, Toyota wasn't trying to save money. They were trying to embarrass every other luxury manufacturer on the planet. They spent over $1 billion developing this platform. The result? A car so quiet, so smooth, and so reliable that it makes a 2026 luxury sedan feel like a budget toy. And the best part? You can find high-quality examples of this masterpiece for under $10,000. The mechanical truth, the 3UZF EV8. The heart of this beast is the 4.3-liter 3UZF EV8. This isn't just an engine, it's a piece of industrial art. Unlike modern engines that are pushed to their absolute limits with turbos and thin components, the 3UZ is under-stressed. It produces 290 horsepower effortlessly. Mechanics love this engine because it's simple. No complex hybrid systems, no direct injection carbon buildup, and no plastic cooling parts that shatter. It uses a cast iron cylinder liner and a massive timing belt system. If you change that belt and the oil, this engine is a 500,000-mile machine. I've seen these cars with 400,000 miles on the clock that still idle so quietly you'd think the engine was turned off. That is the zero repair promise. You aren't just buying a car, you're buying decades of engineering peace of mind. The equity math. Wealth in the shadows. Let's talk about the smart money play. In 2026, the average car payment is nearly $800 a month. Over 5 years, that's $48,000. Gone. Now, imagine buying an LS430 for $9,000 cash. You have no monthly payment. Your insurance is cheaper, your registration is cheaper. And because the LS430 has already hit the bottom of its depreciation curve, it's actually starting to increase in value. While everyone else is losing money every mile they drive, you are sitting in a reclining, heated leather seat, surrounded by real wood trim and double-pane glass, watching your net worth grow. This car is a wealth builder. It frees up your cash flow so you can invest in assets that actually pay you back. It's the ultimate stealth wealth move. The Insider Checklist: how to buy for under $10,000. To keep this zero repair, you need to follow the mechanic's guide. First, look for the base or premium trims. Avoid the ultra-luxury package if you want zero headaches. Why? Because the ultra-luxury has air suspension, and after 20 years, airbags leak. By choosing the standard coil spring suspension, you eliminate the only expensive repair on the entire car. Second, check the timing belt sticker under the hood. If it was changed in the last 60,000 miles, you are golden. Third, check the subwoofer in the rear deck. They tend to dry out, but it's a $20 fix. That's it. That is your entire to-do list for a car that originally cost $70,000 and outclasses almost anything on the road today. The final verdict. The Lexus LS430 is the final boss of reliability. It's for the person who is tired of the check engine light lifestyle. It's for the driver who wants the best engineering human history has to offer without the soul-crushing debt. It's quiet, it's fast, it's invisible to the police, and it's virtually indestructible. For under $10,000, there is no better place to put your money. The F1 Project Legacy. If the LS430 is the gold standard, the LS400 is the foundation of the entire Lexus empire. Back in the late 80s, Toyota launched the F1 project, short for Flagship 1. They didn't just want to build a luxury car, they wanted to build the perfect machine. They assigned 1,400 engineers and spent over $1 billion. By the time we got to the 1998 to 2000 model years, the UCF 20 facelift, Lexus had perfected the formula. In 2026, while modern luxury cars are plastic-heavy and software-dependent, the LS400 stands as a monument to old-world quality. It is the only 25-year-old car you can buy for under $10,000 and drive across the country tomorrow without a single worry. The heart of a million miles. The 1UZ-FEVVTi. The engine in the 1998 to 2000 models is the legendary 4.0-liter 1UZ-FE with variable valve timing, VVTi. This engine is a masterpiece of over-engineering. It features a forged steel crankshaft, 6-bolt main bearing caps, usually reserved for race cars, and a block so rigid it barely vibrates at redline. There's a reason you see these cars hitting 300,000, 500,000, and even a million miles. The tolerances inside this engine were so tight that engineers had to wear lab coats to prevent dust from entering the assembly line. In 2026, finding an engine with this level of physical integrity is impossible. It produces a silky 290 horsepower that feels like an electric motor, silent, linear, and completely stress-free. If you want no more repairs, this is the mechanical heart you want under your hood. Stealth wealth and the analog advantage. Why is this a smart money move in 2026? Because the LS400 is analog luxury. There are no complicated air suspension systems to fail on most models, no massive touchscreens that glitch out, and no subscription services to heat your seats. Everything is tactile, heavy, and built to last 50 years. From a financial perspective, the LS400 is a safe haven asset. Its value has bottomed out and is actually starting to rise as enthusiasts realize they don't make cars like this anymore. You are essentially driving a high-end luxury lounge for the price of a used moped. It's the ultimate stealth wealth car. To the average person, it's just an old sedan, but to those who know, it's the most reliable V8 ever put into production. What to look for? The $10,000 hunt. When hunting for a 1998 to 2000 model under $10,000, focus on the service history. These cars are bulletproof, but they aren't magic. They still need oil changes. Look for the power steering pump leak. It's a common issue where the pump leaks onto the alternator. If that's been fixed, you're set. Also, check the LCD display on the climate control. They sometimes bleed out, but specialized shops can fix them for cheap. Other than that, just look for a clean interior. If the leather is still soft and the wood isn't cracked, it's a sign the previous owner treated it like the treasure it is. Grab one now, because as the world moves toward disposable tech, these ironclad legends are only getting harder to find. If the LS430 is too large for you and the IS series feels too cramped, the third-generation Lexus GS350 is the just right solution. In 2026, while the streets are filled with uninspiring plastic-heavy crossovers, the GS350 stands out with its sharp, muscular stance and its iconic quad headlight signature. This is the smart money choice for the driver who wants modern features and serious speed without the soul-crushing monthly payments of a new car. For under $10,000, this is arguably the most balanced sedan Lexus ever produced. The mechanical truth. The 2GR-FSE masterpiece. The heart of this machine is the 3.5-liter 2GR-FSE V6. Don't let the V6 tag fool you. This isn't your average commuter engine. This power plant has been featured on Ward's 10 Best Engines list multiple times, and for good reason. It pumps out a healthy 306 horsepower, making it faster than many modern turbocharged sedans. But here is why it's on the no more repairs list. The timing chain. Unlike the V8 engines in the LS series that require a costly timing belt service every 90,000 miles, the GS350 uses a robust timing chain designed to last the life of the engine. Furthermore, it uses a unique D4S dual injection system. It combines direct and port injection, which naturally cleans the intake valves, effectively solving the carbon buildup issues that plague almost every modern German luxury car. Change the oil, keep the coolant fresh, and this 306 horsepower beast will easily sail past 300,000 miles. The equity math, the modern value king. From a financial perspective, The 2007 to 2011 GS350 is a genius move. It offers a level of interior craftsmanship that has actually decreased in newer cars. We're talking real wood trim, soft-touch leather, and the legendary Mark Levinson sound system. In 2026, a new luxury sedan lease will cost you $700 or $800 a month. Meanwhile, a $9,000 GS350 has already finished its depreciation cycle. You can drive this car for 3 years and likely sell it for exactly what you paid for it. You aren't losing money to the dealership. You are essentially borrowing a high-performance luxury car for free while your cash stays in your investment accounts. It's the ultimate equity garage play. The Insider Checklist, the 2008 Plus refinement. If you are hunting for a GS350 under $10,000, aim for the 2008 to 2011 models. This was the facelift era, where Lexus added subtle exterior tweaks and refined the interior tech. When inspecting one, check the water pump. They are known to weep a little around the 150,000-mile mark. It's a simple one-time fix that gives you another decade of peace of mind. Also, test the touchscreen and the climate control buttons. Unlike the LS series, the GS is a bit more driver-focused, so ensure the cabin electronics are crisp. If you find one with a clean service history and no check engine lights, you have found the perfect daily driver. It's fast, it's luxurious, it's reliable, and it's under 10 grand. What more could you ask for? The cheat code to luxury. If you aren't obsessed with having a V8 and you just want a car that feels like a silent rolling fortress with zero repair bills, the 2010 to 2012 Lexus ES350 is your cheat code. In 2026, the car market is flooded with overcomplicated hybrids and fragile small displacement turbos. The ES350 is the exact opposite. It is the most refined version of the Toyota Perfection era. It's essentially a Toyota Camry that went to finishing school and came out with double-pane glass, high-end leather, and a suspension that makes you feel like you're floating on a cloud. For under $10,000, this is the newest, most modern-feeling car on this list. The mechanical truth, the 2GRF EV6. Under the hood is the legendary 3.5-liter 2GRF EV6. While the LS and GS use timing belts, this engine uses a timing chain, meaning one less major service for you to worry about. This engine is famous. It's the same one Toyota used in the Avalon, the RAV4, the Highlander, and even the Lotus Evora sports car. It produces a buttery smooth 272 horsepower. Because this engine was put into millions of Toyotas, parts are everywhere, and they are incredibly cheap. Any mechanic in any town in the world knows how to work on this car. You are getting Lexus luxury with Corolla-level maintenance costs. It's a low-compression, naturally aspirated engine built to run for 300,000 miles without breaking a sweat. If you want no more repairs, this is the most practical choice on the market. The equity math, the utility king. Why is this a smart financial move in 2026? Because the 2010 to 2012 ES350 sits in the utility sweet spot. It's modern enough to have a great backup camera, Bluetooth, and ventilated seats, but old enough that the previous owner has already paid for all the depreciation. When you buy an ES350 for $9,500, you are buying a car that will likely be worth $7,500 5 years from now. That is a depreciation cost of only $400 a year. Compare that to a new car that loses $400 the moment you drive it off the lot. You are saving thousands of dollars in hidden costs while driving a car that is quieter and more comfortable than most 2026 economy cars. It is the ultimate asset for someone who wants to keep their money in their brokerage account instead of their driveway. The Insider Checklist, the 2010 Plus facelift. When hunting for an ES350 under $10,000, look specifically for the 2010 to 2012 models. This was the facelift era. Lexus fixed the minor oil line issues found in the earlier 2007 to 2008 models and upgraded the interior materials. Look for the ultra-luxury package if you can find it. It adds a beautiful panoramic glass roof and higher-grade leather, The only thing to check? Make sure the dashboard isn't sticky, a common Lexus heat issue that most were recalled for, and check for a smooth shifting 6-speed transmission. If the transmission fluid has been changed at least once, this car will easily sail past the 250,000-mile mark with nothing but oil changes and tires. It's the least stressful car you will ever own.